didn't run? What if I'm not a coward? What if I'm not gonna run away? What if I'm gonna stand right here? What if I'm gonna make my stand? Huh? What if I wanna go toe to toe with whatever's gonna come through that door? What if I want them to get me? What if I want them to kill me? What if I want them to try?
I just got $1 million today. About to go and spin a bag for them bands today. Yeah, about to spin $100 grand today. Lot of blue face hoodies and blueberry parade. Yeah, clock shooting at the Hummer today. I'm in a bad mood, so I feel like dumping today. Yeah, I'm a bad move, I'ma dump at his face. Keep the toolie by my side, feel like red city clay. Yeah, shoot out the rave, stick up, I need everything else safe, nigga. I'm with them grave niggas, we gon' dig your grave, nigga. Pop my at the rave, nigga. Chains on me, no slave, nigga. We been in the cave, nigga, we don't fucking made niggas. Take your chain, nigga, what the fuck you claim, nigga? 1400, bitch, I'm talking gang, nigga. We not the same, nigga. 314 great day, nigga. Fuck what you claim, nigga. Feel like the KKK, we kill you, then we hang, nigga. Do that the same day. Pull up in the all gray, black Mustang. In the streets, I was hustling. Run up on me, gun busting. That's your best friend, that's my main thing. She me titty boy, two chains. Get to the nitty gritty boy, new stains. Pouring press up in my cup, no purple rain. I'm throwing bands, I'm throwing hands, and I ain't throwing shade. Jumping out the back cave, still like Bruce Wayne. Kicking shit like Luke Cage. My blood for Lupe. B-Rex on us good things. Big blues, no blues, yeah. Your bitch like the juice, ayy. But that's your boo, ain't it? Take a flick, licky on my dick. On my blick, while I take a shit. And a piss, sing that bitch like Kiss. Oh, that's your bitch, R. Kelly, I may just piss on her. I'm in a Rari, you make me mad. I may shoot up your party. That little bitch, she bad, but she fake, she a Barbie. But she still know to ride me like a fucking Harley. Ask me if I love her, I responded to her hardly. Jumping off the top rope on that bitch like Matt Hardy. Why the fuck your pussy ass in here, this a gangsta party? What? Like I'm Playboy Cardi. Got my robe on, this bitch is a Playboy party. That bitch hella plastic, that bitch just like a Barbie. Playing games with all these hoes, this just like Atari. Kicked up my feet up, sipping Hennessy at a safari. With a bunch of white bitches and they all like tripping, making naughty. Viral icon, she on the webcam like Carly. That's your girl, I'm sorry, she was off the molly. I'm in the trap, I'm whipping, I got your auntie on my dope. She told me she have enough money for them rocks, my dick up in the throat. I'm going hard, LOL to the back.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Ain't no joke. You run up on me, you leaping froggy, you get croaked. You know, me and Trippy at a show, fucking these bitches after our show, full of shit like I'm an a-hole. Cash flow, all the way turned up on these hoes, Roscoe Dash. In 4G autos, drilling shit like Chicago. This semi-auto, popping ass like a bottle. Sipping Moscato, bullet with bunch of models. Beat your ass, taekwondo. Like a light, bitch, I shine, ho. I'm getting paid, but you will not get a dime, ho. Yeah, side bitch with some micro. Balls deep in that bitch, ball like Michael. Hey, alright, we done, bitch. You know what I'm saying? Big 14, big 100, 1400, 800, 999. You know what I'm saying? 150 right now. You know what I'm saying?